Brat Bunch. We're back with another video.
Back with another banger.
Back with something that hopefully you guys want to see, or at least will watch to get us some views. No, I kid y'all, it's all up. Hopefully you actually do like the content that we're putting out, because 12 days of Christmas is really taking a toll on my mental health. Psych, just kidding, but no, for real, this junk is hard. So that brings us to today's topic. We're going to talk about what we wish we knew before we decided to do Vlogmas, which is going to be the title. But as you all know, we did not do Vlogmas. We did 12 days of Christmas,
which is just like half of Vlogmas.
Yeah, most definitely it is half of Vlogmas. But I will start off by saying the reason for that is because I didn't get out of school until the 7th or the 9th or something. So it's like, honestly, I mean, y'all don't know, but I'm in nursing school, and I will have a video talking about nursing school coming out. It's actually already uploaded, but I'm just waiting for Vlogmas to be over before I release it. It's a lot to do videos and be in school, especially try to do videos every day. So that would be why we decided to go for the 12 days of Christmas option. But I will say, for anybody who is aspiring to do Vlogmas, girl, baby girl, baby boy,
start in November.
Start in November for sure.
Start in November. Like, I was the one that was like,
yeah, she definitely was like,
it's not authentic to do it before December. Like, is it really holiday spirit? Da, 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 da. Forget all that. Forget all that.
Trying to tell her
it's not that deep,
but
baby.
No, for real, yeah. Starting, because nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
It's gonna be a lot less stress on you as far as it goes, which that really should be your main goal, because it's tiring, very much stressful.
I'll say it becomes a lot, because if you start in November, then you obviously don't have to record every single day. Like, you can just spread it out, and you don't have to edit every day. Like, it's a lot easier. And also, if you're not having to edit every day, like yesterday I did 4 videos, and granted, not all of those were for Vlogmas, but it was just like, when you do a lot of videos at once, or you're forced to edit, I'll say your edits come out a lot crappier than if you like can take your time and actually be like, okay, because you're just like, you're over it, you know what I mean? But yeah, so start in November for sure. Second of all, do your research. See what other people have done in past Vlogmases that did well. That did super well, because Vlogmas is getting like very saturated. Everybody loves to do Vlogmas now, so it's like, you really gonna need something that's like, hey, unique, set apart. It don't even gotta be super unique, just something different for them to watch. For sure. Excuse me, guys. And also, what I will say is, when you're gonna do Vlogmas, y'all, I'm just talking because I don't have anything to say. And I'm just like, y'all ever do that? Just start talking and hope something smart is gonna come out.
Yes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't.
But no, for real, if you're gonna do Vlogmas, and I'm still doing if you're gonna do Vlogmas, be prepared to spend some change on it. Like, for sure. Because a lot
if you're planning on doing YouTube, period,
very true,
it's a lot of money that goes into it.
Very true. Because, like, you know, to do challenges, I mean, them dollar candy bars don't seem like a lot. We gotta get 30 of things. Like, it runs up. But yeah, definitely you want to put money, time, and money into these videos, into the Vlogmas content, for real. Like, that's what's really gonna make it hit for your subscribers. So, and another thing that I will say, which is, this is not a timeless piece of advice, because obviously, I mean, nobody could have expected the unexpected, but I will say COVID is like, that makes YouTube videos in general, but especially Vlogmas, a lot harder to do, because a lot of the things I feel like we would have been able to do, like going to see Christmas lights, going like inside of places. You can still see Christmas lights, but they had like this winter wonderland where you could like literally walk through. And I mean, granted, obviously you could still walk through, but I'm the type of person, like, I take this COVID stuff seriously. Like, I'm not trying to do that. And then it's like, I know it's gonna be a lot of kids that, you know, kids don't really wear their mask.
Couple wet wipes, case a bum try to touch me. Ew.
Definitely still, you know, coughing and
the germ.
Like, it's enough. And it's like, you can't do like, whereas we could be like, oh, we're going out and vlogging today. Baby, we got a mask on our face. Like, that's not even cute.
It's like pointless.
It's not
like,
cute.
It's just pointless. Not pointless, but it's just like,
it takes an element out.
Yes.
Definitely.
Especially if you haven't already been like vlogging.
Yeah,
beforehand.
for sure. Because you have to like, I feel like with vlogs in general, people have to really vibe with you.
You have
wanna
to be
watch
like
it.
interesting.
Also, I will say, which I mean, this is gonna seem like, okay, why are you giving this advice and you're sitting in front of a pink background? But make your background Christmassy. We blew it, but that was not even our fault. Like, some unforeseen circumstances happened.
We possibly could have a Christmas tree the rest of our videos, hopefully.
Yeah, for sure. We just have to
We
work
gotta
some things
get
out
it together.
Try to, you know, make it festive. Give yourself a new intro. Like, you know, really get into it. Get into it.
Oh, that could be a tip.
The intro,
Yeah.
for sure. Jasmine's gonna make a video showing you guys how she created our intro.
Y'all, it's super easy. If y'all want to see the video on how I did that, then let me know.
Leave a comment down below. Like this video if you want to see Jasmine's expertise, y'all. She was in CAT, which if you don't know, it's a technology program.
I'm so weak.
Do you have any other tips for Vlogmas?
Definitely set up a schedule.
Oh, for sure.
Like when you're doing your research, okay, that's cool. You did the research. Okay, schedule, plan, implement.
Which is way easier to do, I think, if you're a solo channel. I will say a lot of me and Jasmine's
Issues lie on the fact that we cannot collaborate at the same time.
yeah, because I mean we have 2 separate lives, so,
two separate schedules. So
and we're also both pretty lazy.
she speaks for herself. I'm trying to get out of that.
She's pretty lazy.
I'm getting out of that.
That, and she takes 2 hours to do her makeup. Who said that? Who said that?
Who said that? Who said that?
No, just kidding.
Now why she trying to start with me? We trying to do a video and she is trying to start like
Y'all want our
started.
true personality. This is how I am.
Like,
This is how I am.
y'all see I tried to glaze over and keep going. She'll never want that. She want the smoke.
and do. But no, for real, Vlogmas can be super fun. I would definitely say, which again, it's probably hard to do with COVID, but collab with people because that can be really fun. And I also, you guys, okay, I said leave a like if you want to see Jasmine's video about the intro. Leave a comment if you guys want a Christmas paint with us.
Oh yes. Why you just did that? Cause that is a video right there. Period.
Leave that comment down below.
Period. Y'all know y'all want to see what we be cooking up in the stew.
I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Even if y'all don't leave a comment, y'all probably
It's
gonna see
still
that.
gonna be a video.
But no, y'all, for real, if that's not something, like, if you don't want to see it, then you can just straight up be like, I'm not gonna watch it, and it'll just be on the channel. You don't gotta click it.
Right. But not
no,
for real.
Y'all, it's so hard to come up with content.
Like, y'all, we sit here and like, honestly, I feel like we might low-key be like, let's not put this out. But low-key, we really should, because it shows our personality. We are trying to help. It is a video.
But these are genuinely like the thought process when, like, when you're making them. Sometimes you'll sit in front of the camera and you'll start talking and you be like, man, they don't care about this. Then you be like, oh, but I gotta put a video out tomorrow. So it's like, what do I do?
Which one?
What do I do? But we want to always on our channel be very transparent, and show you guys the issues that happen behind the scenes. Because although we are a small channel, like, I mean, you guys know that we're a small channel, we talk about it all the time, but we still do have issues. I would say low-key smaller channels have more issues than big channels, because like with big channels, you know you're gonna have people who want to see it either way, and you probably got some money to help
whatever your
know?
content. It's so much easier to make content when you have the money to put into it, and when you have people sending you stuff.
For sure.
Like, you can make a video off of anything. You can make a PL unboxing video one day just because you got that many packages. Like, it's so much easier to come up with content, and they already ready to watch you because they know you got so much stuff. Like, it's kind of like a snowball effect.
Yeah, for sure.
So
it is. But if you guys are also small channels like us, and if you found this video helpful, let us know. Let us know. Reach
out. We love to support back. Period. I mean, I'd love to see some new YouTubers, some small YouTubers, and watch y'all come up. Period. And y'all watch us come up.
Period. We're all in this together. It's enough. It's enough of YouTube to go around.
Yes, for sure. It's enough of the watchers that say, hey, but still watching.
Period. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for our next, I keep saying Vlogmas Day. Stay tuned for our next, but it just sounds better than our next 12 days of Christmas Day.
Wait, how do you say it? 12 DOC. 12 doc. days of
Yeah, I'm not gonna say that.
12 dot again. 12 dot the hashtag out. Brat bunch. Anything.
I cannot play. But yes, guys, stay tuned. Peace.
Bye. She's still doing it.